Hello y'all, today we are going to do class 6th mathematics chapter 9 data handling exercise 9.3 question 1, question 2 and question 3. So let us start. Question 1 says the bar graph given shows the amount of wheat purchased by government during the year 1998 to 2002. This is the graph. Let me enlarge it. Only this much. So now read the bar graph and write down your observation in which year watch. Now there are total 2 parts. We can answer it them easily. In which year was the wheat production maximum? So the bar graph here goes the highest. So in the year 2002 we can say that the wheat production was the highest. Now B part, the in which year was the wheat production minimum? So we can clearly see in the year 1998. Now let us move to question number 2. Now question 2 says observe this bar graph which is showing the sale of shirt in ready made shop from Monday to Saturday. So this is our graph. We need to see it like this. No need to turn it. So now answer the following question. A part, what information does the bar graph give? So our answer is this bar graph shows the number of shirts sold in a market from Monday to Saturday. You are going to write like this in your copy. B part is what is the scale chosen on the horizontal line representing number of shirts. So it is 1 unit length is equal 5 shirts. Means 1 unit length is this much and we can clearly see that it says 5 shirts. Now C part. C part says on which day were the maximum number of shirts sold. How many shirts were sold on that day? So on Saturday we can see that maximum number of shirts were sold and how many? Let us see. The line goes to 60 straight like this. So we can clearly say that 60 shirts were sold on Saturday, which is the highest number of shirts sold. Now D part says on which day were the minimum number of shirts sold. So let us observe from bar graph. We can clearly see on Tuesday. So answer is Tuesday. Now E and last part says how many shirts were sold on Thursday. So where is Thursday? Over here. So let us draw a line. So we can clearly see that it joins 35. So 35 shirts is our answer. So this was question 2. Now moving to question number 3. Question 3 says observe this bar graph which shows the marks obtained by AGs in half-yearly examination in different subjects. So we have this graph. Now answer the following given question. So A part is what information does the bar graph give? So what will be our answer? Our answer is this bar graph shows the marks obtained by AGs in different subjects. Right? This information is shown to us. B part. Name the subject in which AGs scored maximum marks. So when we see we have Hindi. In this subject he scored 80 marks. So let us see our answer. Answer is Hindi. Now C part. C part says name the subject in which he has scored minimum marks. So let us see. Observe from the bar graph. So in the minimum he has social studies, right? So our answer is right. Okay. So now D part says you have to read it like this. State the name of the subject and marks obtained in each of them. So let us do this question. So now from this graph we are going to answer the part D. So in Hindi he got 80 marks, in English he got 60, in mathematics he got 70, in science he got 50, and in social studies he got 40. Now let us match our answers. So what does it say? In Hindi 80 marks, English 60 marks, mathematics 70 marks, science 50 marks, and social studies, let us see. In social studies he got, we draw a line, he got 40 marks. So this is how we read a graph and answer the questions. So today exercise 9.3 complete. Question number 1, question number 2, question number 3. And please do subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos, and very thank you.